Hello and welcome back, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia. How did I mess that up? Hold on. Let me fix that. Hello and welcome back, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. If you are not new, welcome back. Today I have the lovely Taylor. If you guys don't know, Taylor is a family friend / my little sis. That's not really my sis, but I've known her since she was 4. And she also used to work in my old hair salon. So if you see her, she looks familiar. It's the same Taylor. So anyway, she came in today. She was doing family photos with her mom, and she decided to come in and let me press her hair. Now, I have not pressed Taylor's hair since 2018 for my sister's wedding, so it has been a minute. So today we're just going to go in, do an intense hydrating deep conditioning treatment. I'm going to give her the work, stimulating shampoo, everything, hydrate and moisturizing. We want to get her hair nice and healthy and moisturized, and we're going to go ahead and trim her ends at the end. So in the beginning, I just want to show you guys me detangling her hair. She did have in faux locks for about 6 to 8 months. And what she was doing was just having them touched up around the perimeter. Then she would take them out about like 4 or 5 months in, or however many months, and then she would get them reinstalled. So she pretty much had her hair in a protective style this whole entire year. And now it is November / December, because I did her hair last week. And she decided to come in and just let me treat her hair. So because I knew that she had her hair braided up for quite some time, I wanted to just go in and thoroughly detangle her hair, make sure that I got rid of any of the excess shedding, so that way I can prevent any of her hair from matting up when I go ahead and rinse it with the water. This is a crucial step, because if you shampoo somebody's hair that is not detangled after they remove braids, it will mat and lock up. So please be aware, if you're working with somebody with curly hair, to just detangle it prior to shampooing. So this is just a little snippet of me shampooing her. I did use a deep conditioner, and this is just me using a steamer. I'm just talking to her, showing you guys just a couple snippets of this. And then once I'm done this part, I am going to go ahead and play in regular speed. I did speed it up just a tiny bit, just because, guys, when I blow dry, I take my time and I speed up these videos because I don't want y'all to be bored for like 20-30 minutes. But I really do take my time. So I'm just going in with some Fanola heat protecting serum, and I'm just applying about a dime size amount of this, and I'm applying this all throughout her hair, okay? So I'm just doing this to ensure that her hair is nice and protected, and that she also has shine and she doesn't get heat damage, okay? So now I'm just going in, and again, this is slightly sped up just a tiny bit, but I wanted to show you guys a realistic expectation of how long it takes me to blow dry each section. So I'm just going to show me blow drying this one section right here, and then once I'm done, I am going to just skip to it being finished, because I don't need to repeat this over and over. I also do have several other videos on my channel on how to blow dry natural hair, so please be sure to check those out. I actually did an updated one a couple months back, so I will be sure to try to link that down below if I remember. I know it's super late at night. It's literally 9:15, and I'm trying to post this before like 10 hopefully, or 11. It's going to be a really late upload, but my goal has been to upload every single day. So I mean, this will be day 3. So again, I'm just detangling her hair. She already has heat protectant in her hair, and her hair is still wet. But I also do have a spray bottle handy, just so that way as I'm detangling her hair, if it dries out, I can resaturate it and then detangle and blow dry. You don't want to blow dry on dry hair, because then I will make it super painful and super uncomfortable for the client, and we don't want to cause any breakage, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry this section out. If you guys have any questions, you already know you can reach down below, comment, DM me, email me, and I will try to answer as many questions as possible. We was having some girl talk, so another reason why I'm taking forever. But yeah, I really take my time with each and every client. So when you see the video sped up, it's just for you guys, so you don't get bored of me doing the same thing. And here I'm using my Paul Mitchell 427 brush. This is my favorite go-to paddle brush. And I'm also going in with a Rust Speed Freak blow dryer. And again, I will be sure to link everything that I use down below in the description box. That's what's up, boy. So I'm pretty much finishing up this section now. I am going to go in with a round brush and just hit her roots at the very end. Again, if you want to see that, just check out my blow dry tutorial. So now she has done this section. I'm just brushing everything down. And we are going to fast forward to blow drying. I mean, not blow drying, to pressing her hair. As you can see, she's already been blow dried out. So I'm just going in with my custom flat irons. You guys can purchase these at www.cassandraolivia.com. Make sure you use the code YTCAST10. I will drop that in the description box down below to get 10% off of your order. And you want to make sure that you order it within the next 2 weeks, so that way you get it in time for Christmas. If you guys are planning on gifting these items, just keep that aware. So I did go in with another heat protectant prior to me pressing her hair out. So I do a heat protectant before my blow dry. And I also do a heat protectant prior to me pressing the hair out. So she has like a double heat protectant, okay? And I do this for each and every client. So the second one I use is S3 by Influence. You do have to be licensed to purchase that. But if you are licensed, just check out their hair products, okay? So I'm just going to press out a couple sections of her hair. This is pretty self-explanatory. I'm literally just going in and doing the chase method with my comb and my flat iron. But I just wanted you guys to kind of see where we started and where we are right now. And then I'm just going to go in once I'm done pressing her hair out. And I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to trim her ends and just clean up her ends. Now, because we haven't pressed her since 2018, we also have not trimmed her, I believe, since 2018, 2019. So it's been well over 3 years. So she pretty much needed a hair, I'll say like haircut / trim, but she actually didn't need too much taken off in the situation. But you're going to see me fleek this and see what I do. But just look at the shine, guys. Like, if y'all are still sleeping on my flat irons, I'm going to need y'all to wake up, okay? That's all I'm saying. So Taylor's feeling it because you're shaking her hair as I'm walking away. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to leave this in here because she was really feeling it. Like, period. And it's not even done yet. So here I am. I'm just throwing on my white cape just so I can have a better visual when I'm trying to cut her hair. And I like to put my cape sideways only because it snaps in the back. And sometimes it can buckle or have like what is that, like a lump in the back of the cape. And I want to make sure her hair is as flat and smooth as possible, so that way when I go in to trim her ends or to cut her hair, it's super even. And this also is by Influence. It's called Thermoseal. I'm just putting a tiny dab of this on her hair just to add a little bit more additional shine, but you guys already saw how shiny it was prior to me adding this. Let's just make sure that everything is nice and smooth. And now I'm just going to go in at her middle part, and I'm going to turn her to the side so that way you guys can see what I'm working with. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cut her hair, or trim her hair. Trim it, cut it, whatever. I'm just going to go in. Taylor trusts me, so I'm not even going to diagnose this. Y'all just going to see what I'm going to do. But yeah, this is definitely a cut. Let me stop lying. Definitely had to cut her hair. I just said trim, and I'm looking like, yeah, this is a cut. A trim is like an inch or less. Cut is more than that. Some spots I had to cut it, some spots I had to trim it. So we're going to call it a haircut, okay? So this is just my rough draft. I like to do this for every client. I like to just go in and sketch out or kind of start cutting what needs to be taken off. And then I like to go in at the end and just clean everything up. So this is basically a rough cut at the beginning. And then I'm just going to go in and clean everything out. And then once I'm done that, I'm going to pull everything out at a 90-degree angle just to take out any of the split ends that she has on the inside. So I'm not going to talk you guys to death too long. It's really 9:20 at night. I'm doing this after a long day at work. I literally got to work today at 7:15. So I am freaking beat, okay? So not going to do too much talking. I already did that in the beginning. But if you guys have any questions, just drop them down below. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. You follow your girl on Instagram at _Cassandra If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Drop comments down below. Show some love. Let me know if you guys are super busy during the holiday season like I am. I try not to overwork myself, but I've just been doing a lot of color, and that does take time. So typically I don't get off this late, but I still wanted to make sure I came with some content for you guys because I'm in a super like motivated mood right now, and I don't want to lose that. So thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting my channel, showing love and shouting me out, and just letting me know that my videos are helping, because that's literally my goal, to help somebody out there that wants to learn how to do hair or that is a hair enthusiast. That's just my goal, to teach you guys what I know and what I'm learning on my hair journey as well. We can all learn from each other, and that's what I created the channel for. So again, I'm getting ready to take my ass to bed. I'm tired, so I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive day tomorrow. I have to go in tomorrow at 7 o'clock again. I'll probably be off around 8. So you might not get an upload tomorrow, but I'm going to try my best after I get off of work. It depends on how I'm feeling. But thank you guys so very much, and I will see you guys in my next video. And again, after I'm done this, I'm just going to wrap Taylor's hair. I just added that in the footage because I recorded it, and I didn't know if you guys want to see how I wrap people's hair too. So that's in there at the end. But again, thank you guys so very much for watching and for listening to my long talks and rants. I really do enjoy speaking to you guys and just getting to know all my subscribers, followers, supporters. You guys are amazing, and you guys definitely motivate me to keep going. So look at this. Look at the before and after, first of all. Amazing. So yeah, I'm out of here. Everybody have a wonderful evening, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Guess what, smoke boy? Guess what, smoke boy? Guess what, smoke boy? That's what smoke, boy.